Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. All of you are ready for your activity period?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So let's wait for others to join and then we are going to start our class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay, children, last week I told you that I will be randomly giving you any topic and you'll have to speak on it. Right? Last week you spoke on your favorite object. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you, please open your cameras first of all. Everybody, please open your camera. So, today are you ready to speak randomly on any topic? You think you'll be able to
Yes,
speak?
ma'am.
Yes. Even I think you'll be able to speak very nicely.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. So, before we move ahead, let me just take your attendance. Okay, I have Kanishka. Then we have Rishabh Kumar. Kanishka. Okay, Kanishka. Then we have Rishabh Kumar and Stuti Khandelwal, Rajat Gangwar, Yash Raj Mahajan, Yuvraj Singh. Very nice, Yuvraj Singh. Then I have Dhruv Singh. Who is Dhruv Singh? Dhruv Singh, please open your camera. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have Sarthak Agarwal. Sarthak, beta, please mute yourself. Sarthak, mute yourself.
Monument, common. Taj Mahal, proper.
Okay. Now, so children, what are you ready to speak on? You want me to give you anything in random? Can I give you? Shall we start our activity?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
raise your hands to let me know who will come first. Very nice, Stuti. Very good. First of all, everybody please give a big hand to Stuti. Let's clap for Stuti for her confidence. Because she raised her hand. She didn't take even a minute. All of you unmute yourself and clap for her.
What's the number?
I want to hear a loud applause. Yes. Very nice. Very good. Okay, Stuti. Now, your topic is, you have to speak this. The name of this activity is jam. What is jam? I told you last week.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? What is the full form of jam? What is it? Let's see how many of you remember it.
Ma'am, I don't remember it.
Yes. What, beta?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay. Jam
I
is,
don't remember
what is the spelling
either.
of jam? Tell me. How do you spell jam?
Jam.
Jam. Jam that we put on bread and eat, isn't it? But it is not that jam. It is just a minute. What is the name? Just a minute. So, whatever topic you will get, you have to speak on it for 1 minute. Okay? Ready? Okay, Stuti, what are you eating, beta? Stuti, what are you eating? Huh? No, what are you eating in your breakfast? Okay. So Jave is like very close to noodles, right? It looks like noodles. So your topic is noodles. You have to speak on noodles for a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice. Start. Unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself.
Noodles is made for maida.
Beta, in this activity, you're supposed to speak non-stop. Okay, you don't have to stop. Whatever random comes to your mind related to that word, you have to go on speaking about it. Noodles are made of maida. I love to eat noodles. I eat noodles every Saturday. Anything on that. Noodles are made very spicy. They can, a lot of vegetables can be added to it. Okay, just go
अरे
on.
अगर पढ़ाई की जगह कुछ ऐसी बात का टॉपिक दिया
Jajat, beta, mute yourself. Now start, Stuti. Unmute yourself.
noodle is very yummy. He comes very lot of recipes and he comes vegetables. He cooks spicy. I love noodles.
Okay. All right. You want to try more? You want to speak more on it?
Please make water. Please make water and spices.
All right. Okay, children, now just give me a minute. I'll get back to you just for a minute. Okay, children. So now who is ready to come next? Who will come next? Tell me. Nobody is ready. Children, it's just a fun activity. You're not getting anything. You're not being given any marks for it. It's just for your personality development. Come on, give it a try. Even if you're not able to speak, then what? I'm going to help you out. Raise your hands, all of you. Yes, now Rishabh wants to come next. Okay, Rishabh, come. Rishabh, your
Yes,
topic.
ma'am.
Okay, your topic is the Earth Day. Can you speak on Earth Day?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Start.
we have to, ma'am, we have to save our earth, and we have to,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to save earth, and we have to save our trees,
Okay, very
and
nice.
more than trees.
We should plant more and more trees. And
Yes,
when is the
ma'am.
Earth Day celebrated, Rishabh? Do you know when it's celebrated?
Ma'am, the earth is celebrated in 22 April.
Yes, it is celebrated on 22nd of April. And what?
Ma'am, we have to clean our earth green.
Yes, we should keep our earth clean and green. For that, we should plant more and more trees. And how can we protect our earth? Can you give us a few ways?
Ma'am, we have to clean our earth.
How?
And more.
How can we protect our earth? Just tell me any two ideas of protecting our earth.
Stop deforestation. Ma'am,
Very good, Anmol.
Ma'am, we have to stop the deforestation, and we have to plant more trees and plants.
Very good. Should we save water?
Yes, ma'am, we have to save the water.
Very nice.
And electricity also.
Very good. We should save water.
70%.
We should save electricity.
Ma'am, the water, air, electricity is necessary for the human life.
Yes, very good. It is very important for human life. Okay, very nice, Rishabh. Good try, beta. Next, who is ready to come? Who is ready? Okay, Yash Raj Mahajan. Yash Raj Mahajan, your topic is my favorite subject.
Math. My favorite subject is math.
Okay, beta. Okay, before Yash, please stop for a minute. Children, before you start to speak, how should you speak? Good morning, everyone. I am Yash Raj Mahajan. Today, I am going to speak on. Okay, this is how you begin speaking anything. Is that fine? Start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yasraj Mahajan. My favorite subject is math and science.
Yes, then.
Also we write writing a book and reading a book.
No, beta, you just have to talk on your favorite subject. Okay. Now, my favorite subject is maths. Why do you like maths? Just tell. You love to do calculations?
Yes.
Yes. So say that. I love to do calculations. And what else? I love to play with numbers. I love to learn tables. I love dodging. And what do you like the most about maths subject? Tell that. Which chapter do you like the most? Which topic do you like the most? how many marks you get usually in maths. Say all that, whatever, howsoever maths is related to you and you are related to maths. Who teaches you maths? Tell all that.
Maria ma'am.
Not like this. Just frame it in a sentence and say.
My teacher name is Maria ma'am.
And what else? And beta, and just say.
Ma'am, she teach maths.
Okay. And do you find maths easy or difficult?
Ma'am, it
Then say all this, no? Say all this.
ma'am, it is easy maths.
Very nice. Okay, very good, beta. All right, now who is ready to come next? Who will come next? I can't see any hand. Okay, I can't see any hand raised. Shall I call out your name? Okay, Kanishka Yadav. Kanishka, it's your turn next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so your topic is my favorite day of the week. Which is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of a week. Good morning, all of you. My name is Kanishka. Now I am tell my day favorite week. So my day favorite week
Beta,
is
my favorite day of the week is. My favorite day?
my day favorite.
Oh, my
day
favorite
of
day.
the week. My favorite day is Saturday because in Saturday we will play and we will also learn anything. In Saturday I am do class of CD and PD also. CD class, my ma'am is give me topic and I tell some lines on this topic. Thank you.
Very nice. Very well tried, beta. But we never say in Saturday. We say on Saturday. Okay? Whatever day you talk about, you say it on, not in. Good try. Very good. Now, next, let's have Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your topic is my favorite room in the house.
Good morning. My name is Yuvraj Singh. Today
Yes, today I will speak on the topic.
I will speak on the topic.
My favorite room in my house.
My favorite room in my house.
Okay.
My favorite room is bedroom because
Whose bedroom? Whose bedroom? Is it your bedroom or your parents' bedroom?
where my parents were.
Okay. Then why is it your favorite room, beta? Tell.
Because I have seen the television in my room and I sleep in.
What?
I have to sleep in my room.
Okay, so you've got television in that room, that makes it your favorite room, and you also get to relax in that room. That is why it is your favorite room. Okay, children,
Yes,
now when we talk about these topics, better when you have to speak, see, the activity is just a minute. So you have to speak on for a minute. You have to go on. You don't have to stop. So you can say, my favorite room, the paint of the room is white and I love its color. It has got wooden furniture. The furniture is of brown color, whatever color. What you can, also describe, give the physical description. Okay, whatever topic I give you, you can give physically how that thing looks physically. You can describe that. The aim is to speak non-stop for a minute. So don't think much. Maybe in your description or whatever you speak, 1 or 2 lines can be wrong also. But what counts is how much you speak. Is that clear? Now the students who are left will try out like this only. Okay, whatever topic I will give you, you will go on speaking and speaking. Anything related to that topic. You could even say how many members of your house sleep in that room. I sleep with my mother and father and my sister in this room. I sleep on the right hand side of the bed. Anything. This room even has a puffy, a stool, a sofa. It has got side tables, right? Anything about it. Okay. Now, next, who is ready to come? Very
ma'am,
good,
can
Zoya
I speak
Fatima.
on water?
Wait, beta, wait. Zoya Fatima. Okay, Zoya Fatima's topic is hmm, the lockdown period.
My name is Zoya and today I'm going to tell you and I'm going to describe about this lockdown period. So in this lockdown we stay in our we stay in our houses and
Yes, beta, yes, very nice start. Good beginning. We are supposed to stay in our houses. Yes, then
this lockdown period we didn't go outside of our houses, we didn't go to play, but because our mother and father
Zoya, don't stop your video, beta. Open your camera. What makes you put your camera off? Huh? It's okay if you're not able to speak, it's fine, perfectly fine. So what happens in the lockdown period? Are you supposed to move out of your house?
no ma'am.
Then speak this line.
Should
In the
not should not go out of our houses.
Yes, we are not supposed to go out. Okay, you're not allowed also. In the lockdown period, we're not allowed to move out of our houses. Only when it is very necessary, very important, we should move out of our house. Then, how should you move out of your house? Tell me.
We should move out of our house by wearing mask and kept the sanitizer in our pocket.
And keep a sanitizer always with us. And why has this lockdown implemented? Tell me. It has been implemented for our protection, for our safety. Yes?
Yes,
And what is
ma'am.
the reason? What is the reason of this lockdown? You've not told?
Because of the virus that came in
Yes.
this.
COVID-19, because of a virus that has hit the entire world. Right? Okay, now children, see. So many of you are still left to speak. Okay, let's do one thing. Of all the topics I have given till now, do you want to choose any topic for yourself and speak on it? Now,
Ma'am, I speak on water.
okay, Anmol Singh. Very good. Speak on water. And
Water
rest of
is
the children whose turn has not come, please think of any topic that I have given so far. You are open to speak on the topic of your choice. Okay? Yes, Anmol.
My name is Anmol Singh. Today my topic is about water. Water is our life. 97% water in ocean, 2% water is freeze. Only 1% we all our need on water. So this is the reason we are save water. Thank you.
Anmol Singh, you read it out very well, but you didn't speak it on your own, beta. You were reading it from somewhere, right? This reading, any child can do this reading. But what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to speak and frame lines on your own. Okay? Now, Anmol also, I will not count you in. Now you have to choose a topic of your own, the topics that were given in your class. Vikas Rathore, now tell me what will you like to speak on? Your turn.
Ma'am, my favorite subject.
Okay, very good. Start.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vikas Rathore. Today I will tell you about my favorite subject. My favorite subject is Hindi and English. I like to read stories of English and Hindi. My Hindi teacher is Payal Negi ma'am and my English teacher is Palak Saxena ma'am. Thank you.
Very nice. Good try, beta. But still, it was not for a minute. Even after choosing the topic of your choice, you could not go up till 1 minute. Right, Vikas? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Try to speak for at least 1 minute. Okay, Shish, what is your topic?
Ma'am, no topic.
No topic.
You
I
can
told.
give me.
Okay, any topic from the old ones, or I should give you a new topic?
Ma'am, new, old, anyone?
Anyone. Okay. So let me think. Your topic is your favorite color.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sheesh, and today I will tell you about my favorite color. My favorite color is red and orange. I like red and orange because red is dark in color, and I think it's my favorite because I like it to color in cars, in car. And orange is my favorite because it also look nice on cars.
So in short, you love cars or you love red and orange color?
Both.
Both. Okay. Fine. And what else? How many things are there of red color? Tell me. Just go on speaking.
I have a geometry box of red color.
Yes. I love red roses. Even the color of blood is red. And just natural things around you which are red in color.
And flowers.
Yes. And whenever we draw a heart, we draw it of red color. It is a symbol of love. Yes. Red is the color
Ma'am,
of
you know,
love.
I have make a origami heart.
Oh, wonderful. Very nice.
I'm like heart, rose.
Yes. Heart, rose, blood, and what else? Apples are red in color. Apples look very
Yes, ma'am.
attractive.
Cherries.
Yes. Yes, very good. And what about orange color?
Ma'am, orange.
Yes.
Flowers.
We have orange flowers. We have orange color in oranges also. And our national flag.
Juice.
The Indian flag also has orange color, which we call saffron in the flag. And anything
Yes,
else?
ma'am.
Anything else that comes in orange color?
Ma'am, dress also.
Ma'am, juice
orange.
also.
Yes. Orange juice also
Ma'am,
looks very
dress.
attractive. What?
Ma'am, this color.
Yes. So these are bright colors, red and orange. Both the colors are very bright and they look vibrant. On anything they
dress
come.
also.
Very good. Okay, now who is left? Sarthak Agarwal is left, right? Sarthak Agarwal with a turned cap, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why are you wearing a cap? You want to look more handsome? Yes, okay. So Sarthak's topic is a cap.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarthak Agarwal, and my topic is my cap. Ma'am, my cap is yellow in color, and it is on it written. There is a bat, and in the bat written Batman, and ma'am, in my cap there is the eyes of Batman.
Very good. And I like to wear my cap.
I
Yes.
like to wear my cap to look more handsome.
Oh my God. And what else? It protects you from what? Does it protect you from anything?
It protects me from the heat and when
Who is that? Who was that child? It's your brother only, Garv?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear you,
Now can you hear me?
ma'am.
Yes. Was it Garv speaking from behind? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very bad. Tell him that ma'am is going to scold him for it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And what else? It protects you from the heat
Ma'am,
of sun.
it protects me from heat of sun, and ma'am, when I go to play outside, it protects me from the sun rays.
Yes, the sun rays. Very nice, Sarthak. Very good try.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now who's left? Manas Garg and Devansh Verma. Devansh Verma, are you ready to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Devansh, like I told you, I'm going to give you a topic like flowers kept behind you. You remember I told this thing last week?
Yes, ma'am.
So the topic is flowers. Are these artificial flowers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your topic is flowers. Now you can choose to speak. Yes, Devansh, go on. The flowers kept behind me. Yes, start your topic. Start with your introduction.
My flower is yellow in color, and there are many flowers like yellow, like sunflower and rose and lily, and there and these flowers are artificials, and flowers are beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you.
So soon, thank you. Why have you placed those flowers in your room? Tell me. For what purpose are these flowers placed? To make your room look?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell that line. Say that line. These flowers make
Flowers make my home beautiful
and colorful, and it gives a fresh look.
and good smells.
Yes. And what is the benefit of these artificial flowers? Yes, that they look fresh always. They always look fresh and we do not need to water them. And they add to the beauty. They add to the beauty of the room. Wherever they are kept, they add to the place's beauty. Okay, I love these flowers. Yes.
And they are washable, and I love these flowers.
Yes, they remain fresh always. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Now who is left to speak? Manas Garg is left. Right? Manas Garg? Manas, you're not unmuting yourself. What?
This is flower pot.
I can't hear. Can anybody tell me what he's speaking?
Ma'am, nothing.
Nothing, Manas. So Manas, should I think that? Beta, your voice is cracking. I think you've got some signal issues. You have some signal issues?
Ma'am, when you speak, a very loud noise come on my side.
Yes. So now children, see, you all have spoken about each. Who is Lakshya Veer Singh? Can I please know?
Ma'am, Dhruv.
Dhruv, acha, Dhruv got your turn? Dhruv. Children, Dhruv has got his turn.
No, ma'am.
Dhruv, beta,
No,
just
ma'am.
open your camera. Dhruv, open your camera. Okay, Dhruv, your topic. Would you like to choose?
now my voice is coming.
No, beta, it's not coming
And
clearly.
now
Bache, it's not coming clearly. It is not coming clearly. Dhruv, beta, you want to choose your topic from the ones I gave, or should I give you a topic of my choice? Yes, Dhruv, tell.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying that should I give you a topic on my own, or you will just try it on your own?
Ma'am, you will.
I give you a topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your topic is just wait. I'll give you a topic. Let me just think.
Ma'am, only 1 minute left.
Okay, Dhruv, so I'll give you the topic in the next period, okay? Because the time will get over. The class is going to get over in the next minute. Is that fine? Be ready to get a good topic. Manas Garg, Manas Garg, you want your topic to be cricket, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, beta. I hope I get to hear you clearly. It'll be very nice to hear you. Okay, so I'm ending this.
Voice is coming to you.
Yes, your voice. Now it has started coming to me. So children, now do one thing. Again, join the same link. Okay, I'm ending the meeting here. You can join the same link again.
Okay, ma'am.